Alright guys, so we're here. We are working on this unit. It's an LG washer. Complaint is, it is leaking. So we don't know where the leak is as of yet. So first thing you want to do, you want to reach in here. This is called the bellow. And before you run the machine, you always want to just make a feel and just run your hand and check along here. These are all places that these machines can leak. Next place is in the back where the water valve is. Sometimes a drain pump. So this washer shakes, so we're gonna have to get that looked at. Also, you want to check your seal area. This is your drum, and you want to make sure your drum rotates nicely, which this one does. So we're going to put her in diagnostic and see if we get a message. Diagnostic on this. I think you press your soil level and power. See if I have 3 hands here. Let's keep you here. I'm going to use my elbow. We should get the lights all lit. 1 second here. Beautiful. So we're in diagnostic. So we're gonna just check in the lid switch. Heard that. It's gonna rotate. And it's gonna let water in up here shortly. And this is where we're gonna check for leak. Just give it a spin. That's the drain pump. Sometimes you will have water coming out of the pump. Sometimes it's not the machine itself. It's the hose or something associated with that. So that's a speed. So we're getting water in the dispenser. And you can also check on the floor and opening anywhere for leaks. You want to check the valve. We're limited with access here. And you can always put your finger under. See, my finger's wet. Look at that. So I have a feeling we're just dealing with a bad water valve. Yeah, let me give you guys some light. Let's see. I'm gonna stop this video real quick and give you some light. Alright guys, we're back. I wanted to get some light on this thing. Going to my room. So we got a drain hose that was spliced. Okay. Don't have a lot of room, guys. But I definitely feel water coming out here. Off of both of them. Wow. You know? Totally wet. So we definitely have a leak, but I don't think it's anything to do with the machine as of yet. We're probably going to pull the top cover off and make sure we don't have a leak on the inside. And she's going to rotate. She's washing. You level those legs as well. draining. Making sure that she's drained. I don't think we have any leak or anything from the drain pump or the drain hose. No water's on the floor, so I think we're just dealing with a small drip. So like I said, we're still going to pull the top off and verify that everything is nice and dry once it's done extracting. The pump is fine. Alright, so that's done. So we're going to pull her out and take a look and see if we find any other issues. I'll keep you posted. Thank you. Alright guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I was mentioning these LG washers are excellent machines, by the way. Don't run from them. They're superior to most front loaders. They really are. The most issues I run into with these, your drain pump after about 8 or 7 years, you gotta replace that, and occasionally the water valve back here, for some reason it's always too cold. And these hoses, we're gonna replace these as well. You can see how they're corroded, and telltale signs. You can always see where the water was dripping, okay, and then going down to the floor. So this drain hose, everything was extended because this laundry room is pretty tight. To get the dryer in and the washer, you have to make it wide enough, long enough to actually be able to access. So we're going to see if we have long enough hoses with new rubber so that we won't have that leak, and then we'll have to replace that valve. So we should have that with us today. All right, I'll keep you posted. Thank you.